Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My ID number is 247096 and it's that time. It's time for me to unbox my Kiwi Club kit for April 2023. The theme of this month's kit is slow down and enjoy life. If you can see on the box, there's the QR code. Take a picture of that with your phone and you'll be able to download the idea and inspiration PDF for this kit. So I've already opened the box, and I'm going to show you all the contents of the kit. I'll tell you what I like of the papers, and I'll give you my opinion of which ones I like more than the others. So it'll be either side A or B. Sometimes it's both, I will admit. So let's get going. When you open the kit up, you'll see that there's this half sheet 12 by 12 piece of paper, and it gives you the title of the kit, Slow Down and Enjoy Life, and the theme. This kit's themes are spring, Easter, and enjoy life's slower moments, which is why there's a sloth. These are the cute little templates that are involved. The title of the template set is called Peekaboo, and there are 6 pieces to the set. Here's another QR code for you to take a picture, and it'll bring you to the PDF where they share their ideas for the kit and the pairings of other templates that would coordinate with the kit. This month are the rings. Remember, there are 2 sets of rings. The placemat number 4, which has these index tabs on the side, and those are important. I'll show you why later. And also tiny plants. Ooh, there's a photo corner. Sorry. This kit includes 12 by 12 80-pound pattern sheets of paper, 8 title cards, and the Peekaboo designer templates, which are shown here. Here's a sketch. If you want to take part in the sketch challenge, all you have to do is post it on the Kiwi Lane scrapbooking board and hashtag it with Create with Kiwi Lane. I actually did it last month, so we'll see. Here's a preview of all the papers that are in the kit, but I'm going to show you up close the pictures. These are the cute photo corners that keep your paper from wrinkling and tearing in the box. So let's start with the papers. Here is the sloth paper, which I think is really, really cute. I actually have sloth pictures, but what else I like about this paper, not only the sloths, but that blue. I love the blue. So this is side A. And this is side B. Now, since I already told you I like the sloths, it's going to be side A. The next piece of paper is an argyle print that coordinates with the sloths. This is side A. This is side B. Because I love argyle, I'm going to go with side A. It's really, really pretty too. You can use it for any kind of photos. This next print pattern paper, side A, side B. Because I'm giving 2 choices on this one, I'm going to choose side B. This is a geometric print, side A, side B. I actually really, really do like side B. It has like a little flower pattern in there, so it's really, really cute. You can use it to make clouds or a sky or whatever. This next piece of paper has a diamond print in it. It's a dark, dark blue. It has a diamond pattern in it. Really, really pretty. And then side B. I'm going with side A. Okay. The next cute piece of paper is this bunny sheet. There's different bunnies, and that's a hint for the templates. Really, really cute. I like that bunny. This is side A, and this is side B. I actually like both sides, but because you don't find this paper anywhere, I'm going to choose side A. Okay. The next 2 sheets of paper are exactly the same. So this is side A. It's like a little whimsical dot pattern in there. Side A. Side B. Because there are 2, I can use one of each. The next is it's like a slate blue, I'll say. It has a little bit of a print pattern in there. This is side A. side B. And because there are two again, I will use both of them, which is great. This is a dark, dark blue. Has like a weaved pattern in it. This is side A and side B. I'm going to choose both side Bs because it's brighter. Sorry about the shadow here. There's nothing I can do about it. I can try and turn on my light. That might help a little bit. Really need to invest in a ring light. These are the journaling cards that are in this month's kit. Now, Kiwi Lane has done something different this month. They have shaped, well, cut out sort of, the template, the title cards. So you can take this and put it across a journaling block if you want, or a picture. So there's Hello Spring, Slow Down and Enjoy Life. And just let you know, there is nothing on the back, so you can't flip it over. You'll have to use that side. Slow Down and Enjoy Life, which I can use with my sloth pictures. Don't worry. Oh, don't hurry and be happy. Luckily, I have a lot of sloth pictures, and I can use that for my daughter's pictures with the sloths too. Here is a journal card, spring, noun spring, just the definition. And you could actually take the title of the spring and put it across. And I think that just looks really cute. Okay. These are remember on the placemats that had the index tabs on the right? You can cut these out and put them on there. So really, really cute. Free hugs, let's hang out more, go slow and steady, just relax and keep smiling. The next ones are Easter dressed, happy spring, on the hunt, exciting day, and basket of goodies. And finally, peekaboo, happy Easter to you, slow down and take it all in, hanging with my peeps, and somebody likes to nap. That's me, especially this week. Now remember that if you don't like these three title cards, you can always turn them over, cut photo corners out of them, or mount a picture, or cut a shape out with one of your templates. Just some ideas. And I tell you that every month that I come and showcase one of the kits. I'm going to find time this week to create with the kit, so if you're not a member of my Facebook group, you might want to hop over and join there, because I post all my layouts that I create there, as well as on the Kiwi community, which is on the Kiwi Lane website. So let's open these templates up. There's a set of 6, and it is called Peekaboo. Sorry. Number 1 of 6 is the bunny with his ears down. If you remember from the paper, where is that paper? It's here somewhere. The paper with the bunny. I'll find it later. Here's the dark blue piece of paper so you can see the shapes. This bunny is on that paper. So there's 1 of 6. Number 2 of 6 is the other bunny that is highlighted in that paper also. His ear is on the right side here. However, if you want the ear on the left side, just flip it over. Now remember, with these cutouts, you don't need to cut them out of the piece that you trace. You can just trace these on a pink piece of paper, or whatever color you want the ears to be, and you can cut those out and layer it. I'll show you that on my layout that I'm going to create, or card. I haven't decided yet. Number 3 of 6 is the sloth. Peekaboo sloth. Really, really cute. And he measures, let's just see how big he is. Just about 3.5 inches long by almost 2.5. Almost. But remember, if you don't like him laying like this, you can have him laying like this. You can have him upright, or you can have him upside down even. That would be cute. And he has a coordinating template, which is this leaf branch. So you can have him upside down, sideways, whichever way you want him. Really cute, really versatile. And then finally, well, not finally, pardon me, we have the Peekaboo 5 of 6. It's a 1/4 of a circle ruffled edge, scalloped edge rather, and you can use the tiny plants and put flowers on it around the circle. Or if you're making a baby or something out of a big circle, it could be a head piece, or it could be a collar. It could be whatever you want it to be. And finally, we have this Peekaboo stencil set. It coordinates with all of the templates. Here is the sloth face. You could even put glasses on the sloth or glasses on the bunny. This is a ruffle collar, a scarf, a bunny face, another bunny face. These actually are the paws for the bunny. So if you have him looking out of a circle and you want his paws hanging over, just trace those out. And then you could put finger markings in there with a pencil. This is a hat, a carrot, looks like a baseball cap, and a sun hat. So that is the April 2023 Kiwi Club kit. Peekaboo is the template set. Slow down and enjoy life is the theme. And these are all the papers. I would love you to come and join me in my Facebook group. I'll put all the information down below, as well as how you can order this Kiwi Club kit. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Bye.